Hi, welcome to dishwasher-ratings.com, where we have over 700 dishwasher ratings and reviews. And today we're looking at the top dishwashers. And on the home page here, you'll see on the left-hand side that you can click on Best, Quietest, Energy Efficient, Water Savers. And if you click on any of those, depending what you're looking for, if you click on the Best, for example, you'll be able to see some of the models that rank the highest on the website. Now, everything is rated from best to poor, green to red, and everything is summarized in these 6 color-coded boxes. Now, if you click on on any of the models, it'll bring information up here, and you'll see a pros and cons summary. We rate the 6 criteria are cleaning capability, cycles and options, energy usage, water usage, sound or decibel level while running, and the cost. And as you go down below, each of these written reviews will have more specifics about the machine, where it excels at, what's on it or what is not on the machine. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those for us, and thank you for taking a look at our dishwasher reviews.